Alright class, today we are going to dive into the exciting world of motion and how we can measure, record and interpret an object's motion using distance-time graphs. Motion is all around us, from the cars driving down the street to the birds flying in the sky. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand how to use distance-time graphs to analyze and interpret the motion of objects. Let's start by defining what exactly a distance-time graph is. A distance-time graph is a visual representation of an object's motion over a period of time. The x-axis represents time while the y-axis represents distance. By plotting points on the graph, we can track how far an object has traveled at different points in time. Now let's talk about how we can measure an object's motion using a distance-time graph. To do this, we need to first gather data on the object's position at different points in time. This can be done by using tools such as a stopwatch or a motion sensor to track the object's movement. Once we have collected our data, we can plot the points on a graph to create a visual representation of the object's motion. Next, let's discuss how we can record an object's motion using a distance-time graph. By plotting points on the graph, we can see how the object's position changes over time. If the object is moving at a constant speed, the graph will show a straight line. If the object is accelerating or decelerating, the graph will show a curved line. By analyzing the shape of the graph, we can determine how the object is moving. Now, let's move on to interpreting an object's motion using a distance-time graph. By looking at the slope of the graph, we can determine the object's speed. A steeper slope indicates a faster speed, while a shallower slope indicates a slower speed. Additionally, by looking at the y-intercept of the graph, we can determine the object's starting position. By analyzing these key features of the graph, we can gain valuable insights into the object's motion. In conclusion, distance-time graphs are a powerful tool for measuring, recording, and interpreting an object's motion. By plotting points on the graph and analyzing key features such as slope and y-intercept, we can gain a deeper understanding of how objects move in the world around us. I hope you have enjoyed learning about distance-time graphs and how they can help us study motion. Remember, science is all about asking questions and exploring the world around us. Keep asking questions and never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.